Have you ever heard of a combine harvester with an unloading speed of 211 liters per second? Meet the Case AF11, one of the most powerful combine harvesters in the world. Specifically designed for fast and efficient work on vast agricultural lands. Before we explore the impressive technical features of this machine, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The Case AF11 is perfect for all types of crops, featuring a 775 horsepower engine, a massive 20,000-liter grain hopper, and advanced grain separation technology. Thanks to its innovative rotor system, this powerful machine ensures high-quality grain output while minimizing grain loss. So, would you like to operate this incredible combine harvester? Let us know in the comments.